Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Salad spinner. Healthy made easy. Our Pro Pump salad spinner makes it so easy to prepare nutritious foods every night of the week. Large salad spinner helps you to clean and serve salad greens and other produce, including fruits and even berries, in seconds. Multiple uses. This lettuce spinner is more than just a device for quickly rinsing and drying produce. Use the basket separately as a colander, and the clear plastic bowl can be used as a large salad bowl or mixing bowl. Enough for everyone. The generous capacity of our salad spinner, 6.65 quart bowl, 5.25 quart basket, means you can put in enough food to feed your entire family. So easy. We know you're busy when it comes to making meals, so we've engineered our large salad spinner for convenient one-handed operation. Simply push down on the spinner mechanism to begin, then tap the brake button when done. Stable and secure. The clear bowl features a soft, non-slip base to secure the salad spinner while in use, with the added bonus of protecting your countertops from getting scratched. Digital Food Kitchen Scale. The Digital Food Kitchen Scale by Techcity is an impressive tool that has quickly garnered a reputation for its accuracy and functionality. With the dimensions of 7.3 into 5.7 into 0.6 inches and a weight of just 7.5 ounces, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to store or transport as needed. Designed for user convenience, this scale operates on 2 AAA batteries, which are included, ensuring that users can get started right out of the box. The sleek, modern aesthetic of the scale makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen, while its glass platform allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. The performance of the Digital Food Kitchen Scale excels in providing precise measurements for a variety of ingredients, catering to the needs of both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. The clear digital readout is easy to read, and the scale features a smart auto zero function, which allows for accurate measurement without the hassle. Eggcentials Poached Egg Maker. The Eggcentials Poached Egg Maker stands out as a highly functional and user-friendly kitchen tool designed for egg enthusiasts and casual cooks alike. With a polished finish and a compact size of 8.5 by 8.5 by 2.5 inches, this egg poacher fits easily into most kitchen setups while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Weighing in at just 3 pounds, it offers a solid feel without being cumbersome. One of the key features of this poached egg maker is its capacity to cook up to 4 perfect poached eggs simultaneously. This is ideal for families or anyone who enjoys hosting brunches, allowing for efficient meal preparation without compromising on quality. The tempered glass lid not only retains heat effectively, but also provides a clear view of the cooking process, enabling users to monitor the eggs without lifting the lid and losing precious steam. In terms of maintenance, the Eggcentials model is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This is a significant advantage for busy individuals who appreciate convenience in their kitchen gadgets. Its oven-safe capability adds versatility, allowing users to explore various cooking techniques and recipes beyond just poaching eggs. Glass Cup Set. 4-piece colored glass cup set. This cute set includes 4 colored iced coffee cups with matching reusable glass straws, bamboo lids, and 2 straw brushes for effortless cleaning. Enjoy 16 at 500 milliliters of delicious drinks in these cute goblets. Stylish colors. Each glass cup in this glasses set comes in a different pastel color: pink, clear, blue, and green, with glass straws to match. Their simple yet stylish design can complement any home decor. Sealed bamboo lids. Each bamboo lid comes with a double silicone ring to help prevent leaks. The firm seal of our reusable coffee cups with lids will keep your drinks safe while adding a touch of glam to your glass set. Easy maintenance. Our BPA-free and sturdy glass cups, lids, and glass straws make great coffee bar accessories. Made with borosilicate glass for extra resistance, these glasses won't crack easily, are food safe, and dishwasher safe. To increase longevity, do not put the bamboo lids in the dishwasher. Great to show off your drinks. Our colored iced coffee cups with lids are great to show off your delicious drink of the day. from coffee to smoothies, juices, and more. This stylish set will make your beverage look great on Instagram, TikTok, and real life. Plastic forks. Durable material. The plastic forks are made of heavyweight material. It is colorless and tasteless. Use a clear fork to eat healthy meals. Suitable for hot foods. Plastic forks have been tested to heat up to 176 bars and can be used for both hot and cold food. Thoughtful packaging design. 100-count plastic clear forks, packed in high-quality paper boxes. The sides of the boxes have a design for easy ripping and small windows to see what's inside at a glance. It is convenient for you to take out and keep the rest of the heavyweight cutlery. No washing up. The heavyweight plastic cutlery, available for friends, guests, and customers, while its disposable design promotes quick, hassle-free cleanup when finished. Indulge in the party and do not have to wash dishes and mess. Simply enjoy harmony and convenience. Large size, 7 inches long and 4.8 grams heavy per disposable fork. Clear forks are suitable for tableware of various colors without any sense of violation. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender for shakes and smoothies is a versatile kitchen appliance that simplifies the blending process, making it suitable for both novice and experienced users. With a capacity of 40 fluid ounces, this blender is ideal for creating large batches of shakes, smoothies, and even soups. One of the standout features of this blender is its innovative wave action system, which ensures ingredients are continuously pulled down into the blades for a smooth consistency. This is particularly beneficial when working with denser ingredients, such as frozen fruits or leafy greens, as it minimizes the need for manual intervention. The 12-speed settings provide ample flexibility for various blending tasks, allowing users to tailor the texture of their beverages to their liking. The touch control panel is intuitive and easy to use, making it effortlessly simple to switch between settings. Additionally, the stainless steel blades are robust and durable, designed to handle everything from crushing ice to pureeing vegetables. Air fryer. The Curated Air Fryer Pro LE 5QT Air Fryer impressively blends functionality and design, making it a standout choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. With a generous 5-quart capacity, it accommodates meals for families and small gatherings alike. Its sleek white exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. A notable feature of this air fryer is its programmability, which allows users to select from various cooking methods, including roasting, broiling, baking, air frying, and dehydrating. This versatility caters to an array of culinary needs and encourages experimentation with different recipes. The touch control method enhances user experience, facilitating easy navigation through the settings. Operating at 1500 watts, the Curated air fryer reaches temperatures ranging from a minimum of 95 degrees Fahrenheit to a maximum of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range enables precise cooking, ensuring that food is evenly cooked while also allowing for dehydration at lower settings. The non-stick coating aids in easy food release and simplifies the cleaning process, making it dishwasher safe for added convenience. Food storage container. Glass food storage containers for everything. Aside from the obvious fact that Joyful by JoyJolt glass meal prep containers are healthier for you and your food, you can also go from freezer to oven without breaking, with a variety of shapes and sizes to fit your purpose. What a joyful idea. 12 airtight food storage containers with lids, includes 4 rectangle containers, 35 aughts, 8 by 6 in, 21 aughts, 6.75 into 5 in, 12 aughts, 4.2 into 5.5 in, 4 square containers, 26 in, 17.5.2 in, 11 aughts, 4.3 in, 4 round containers, 32 aughts, 6.21 aughts, 5.9, 13.5 aught, 5.2 in. Height ranges from 1.75 to 2.3 inches. All temp food containers, made from borosilicate glass, aka space shuttle glass. Your containers are robust and love extremes. They're dishwasher safe, oven safe to 1040 degF, and microwave safe containers, not the lids. Both lids and containers are fridge safe and freezer safe to -104 degrees Fahrenheit. Airtight containers for fresher food. The airtight silicone seal and secure hinge clips means you can use them for a food container without odors and air getting in or out. There are also leak-proof glass lunch containers, so go ahead and use them as soup containers in your lunch bag without fear. Crepe maker and dosa maker. Versatility. Non-stick coated plate surface lets you quickly and easily make crepes, soft tortillas, tacos, blintzes, egg rolls, chapati, and more breakfast favorites. Heat up quickly in 20 seconds. Forget from your old crepe pan. Cord length 27.5 inch. Perfectly combo. Our electric crepes maker with an automatic temperature controller prevents burning. High-powered heating element 120 volt, 60 Hz, 800 watts, operated by a one-press on-off switch to indicate when the surface is hot enough to begin cooking. The long handle design for easy holding operating saves space and makes you feel safe and love using it. Highly convenient. Our crepe machine is a compact, quick, and convenient cooktop. This nonstick crepe maker has a large cooking die-cast aluminum area of 8 inch, making it easy to create restaurant-style crepes. Preheat the crepe maker, spread a thin layer of batter, and watch your crepe cook in seconds. Easy to clean, this round electric single slow cooker. The Crock-Pot manual 7-quart slow cooker combines convenience and efficiency, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. With a striking turquoise finish, its stainless steel construction ensures durability and an appealing look that complements various kitchen styles. Measuring 14.5 inches in diameter and 9.5 inches in width, this slow cooker is sizable enough to accommodate meals for families or gatherings with a generous 7-quart capacity. The appliance operates at 1500 watts, providing reliable performance for slow cooking, allowing for the development of rich flavors and tender textures in your meals. The control method is simplistic yet effective, featuring a manual control type with 3 distinct settings. This straightforward functionality means anyone can quickly learn to use it, making it suitable for both experienced chefs and novice cooks alike. However, it is important to note that it is not dishwasher safe, which might require some extra effort for cleaning.